another topic. We're going to take a slight tangent here and talk about tech and technology in the aviation industry. And as you've mentioned there, where things do take time for things to change within the industry, but it's almost impossible to have an interview about any topic and not mention AI and its influence in a various number of segments of various industries. How do you see AI influencing aviation today, and how will that develop looking into the future?
Aviation is very conservative industry because of the flight safety. Still, aircraft, 1 year operation is a box of documents, physical paper documents. And it's impossible to agree between the OEMs, authorities, airlines, different jurisdictions, that it would become paperless. So 20 years aircraft is a 20 boxes of documents. So it's probably shows how this industry is still heavily supervised, and changes are very slow. But we're talking about flight safety. But we have a commercial part of the airline companies, planning, revenue management, routing, supply of spare parts organizing, logistic, and many things. And AI coming. In our organization, we have several pilot projects, starting from the data which we have, and mainly supplies and things surrounding that. It's a supervised industry. We will be very careful, very precise. But believe me, we're one of the youngest organization by the age of management in entire global ecosystem. So we like innovations, and if we will be able to implement, we'll be one of the first.
Still on the topic of innovation, you have other trends in addition to AI, such as supersonic travel, urban air mobility, eVTOLs, hydrogen-powered engines, some of them projected to be entering the industry within the next 5 years and within the decade. How do you see that affecting the way air travel happens today? And as an expansion on the tech topic, do you see the group venturing a little bit more into some tech spaces?
We will use AI, of course, in our operations. We would not risk investors' money to do some opportunistic or ventures investment. We will remain an organization which will keep educating market about leveraging and managing capacity on seasonal basis. Of course, ESG requirements, environmental, social, and governance, is very important in our ecosystem. And we are developing currently on feasibility study basis synthetic SAF production plant in Liepaja, Latvia. Together with local partners, we acquired existing storage facilities, sizable 18 hectares. And together with the one USA company, we're working on the potential technology. It's not regular sustainable aviation fuel produced from cooked oils or fats or biomasses. It's something new, CO2, captured CO2 and methanol and green hydrogen. Still very new technology. Still not unclear what is the role of sustainable synthetic Avia fuel will be in the near future. Even there is no benchmark of the pricing. So, but we're talking about second level of SAF. So we will be paying our time and investment to be in compliance with the ESG requirements in that field. About new technology aircraft, if our customers would use them, definitely will follow. Our customers gave us a sign that we want newer technology aircraft, Boeing 737 Maxes. So we started to operate up to 10 Maxes. And after 1.5 year operation, we placed an order. If our customers would say we would like to use FTOL or something else, and if it is seasonality driven, if it is not driven some demand by some other measurements or metrics, then definitely we'll follow our request of our customers. But till now, we have a lot of job to do in our traditional commercial aviation space.